it going, guys? It's your boy iZord. Welcome back to another video, and today we are doing episode 3 of my Terraria modded, my mod pack sorta. What's modded, but forget about that. But anyway, we are going to be starting episode 3, and I'm doing actually 2 episodes in a row. I'm never going to do this again. I just have so much mod, so much mod. What am I even on about? So much fun, you know, like playing this itself. So yeah. Oh, I'm pressing that by accident. Right. Yeah, I was pressing the zoom thing by accident. I'm actually gonna put the map off. So what I would like to do today is defeat the, I think it's Grand Thunderbird. Now, I've got the steel bow, and the ankylophobia, and I actually found out that's an actual spider in real life. Apparently it's a killer, so yeah, you don't want to come across one of them things. It is dead. Right, good. So, do I have any arm bars left? No, I don't. Can I change these back into iron bars by any chance? I'm gonna check, like. Oh, what's this? Decreased magic damage? No, I don't want that. No. Alright, these purified shards. That wouldn't be too hard to make, but I'm not gonna make it anyway, because I don't want to. And I need these arcade dusks for the boss, the dude, whatever you call him. Oh, you can make silk hood? Or just one defense? Yeah. Don't want that. I don't want that. Right, so what I'm gonna, I can make a fallen star. Oh yeah, let's transform them back in. Right, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get some of them anti-land mandibles. Be over to the left, because my thingy's over to the left. My, what do you call it? Desert. Wait, I'm going to check if there's an underground desert. No, there isn't. Yes. Right. That's not that good, honestly. Maybe I might actually have to go over here a wee bit. Great. Literally. Great. Right. I'm getting some of these vultures, which I guess is pretty cool. Oh, that must have just sorted. Oh. What are you? Do you make your material? Right, maybe I can get some mandibles here, maybe? Well, I got some more feathers. All right, they stack up. I thought that might make like wings or something. I was gonna keep it, but let's make something else. What's this? Huh? Reduced enemy aggression. Alright, so that gives you that, you know, like forever. Alright, I get it now. Say if I like got these anti-land things, they would like come along, and then I'd probably kill them, but I'm not even gonna bother. I'm just gonna go across the left and see what I can find, because I might find something. Never know. I want to know what this looks like, you know, like itself, if you get what I mean. What will I bin? I need them potions, so I do. I need them potions, and I might need that thing sometime. Right. Gonna turn all these off. That looks pretty sick if you ask me. Honestly, a 20 feet fence pretty good. 1, 2, 3, 5. So 3, 2. That does 18 defense. Pretty good. Just the armor itself. That's like a cape hanging off. Which is pretty cool as well. And my anklephobia will just take it down. Take these things down. That's what I mean. So I'm just gonna like keep doing this for some reason. I just feel like it. Oh, it's fully auto as well. Oh, that's awesome. That is really cool. Right, gonna get up here and get up here. Right, there we go. Oh yeah, there's dirt down here. Right, there we go. Gonna jump up here. That must have been when I TP'd back or I died. Somehow. Oh. It's these dudes. I don't really care. Because I'll just destroy them. Literally. Because... no. Or were they... Ah. That would have been so good. Literally. Ah well. Better luck next time, I guess. Right. So we're gonna get these monster souls. That'll be pretty good future stuffs. So we're gonna get across here. Right. Bugger off. Literally. Get in my nerves. And you don't want to get in my nerves because I'll just kill you. Well, I would kill you anyway, even though if you weren't in my nerves. Yeah. Right. Oh, I nearly fell down there. Right. Let's see what's down here. Hopefully there's a sand biome. Unless I'm gonna have to like look over to the left or something. Oh no, not the left, the right. It's gonna be like an exploring episode. Never mind defeating the Grand Thunderbird. I really want to defeat that. Like literally. Right. I got it. I got across. Yay. Yay. That's like Palma from episode 7. Oh, spoiler alert, sorry. it just if you haven't played or watched any of that yet. Oh hi. Oh hi, old man. I'm not gonna take it down yet, don't worry. I'll leave you at peace. Right. So take a swiftness potion. Do I have any ropes? No, I don't. Oh yeah, I do. I'm blind. Right, go away. Right, there we go. That's away. Wow. So we're gonna get up here. There we go. And we're gonna have to get up here as well, obviously. Right, there we go. Right. So, archolophobia. Anklephobia. Why do I keep saying archolophobia? Well, that was actually the first time I said that. Wow. Right. Also, I know this jellyfish boss, which is pretty hard, if you ask me. Well, if you have lower game stuff, you know, and all that. If you have pre-hard mode stuff, it's not really that good. Well, if you have late pre-hard, just forget about it, right? Just forget about it. I'm just gonna balls the whole thing up. Right. So I'm gonna collect a lot of these and corals. Try and get some sea scales as well. And there we go. I'm gonna throw some glue sticks down. Cause yeah, I can. Right. Hey, go away. Right, I might need to get up a wee bit. So I don't have an underground thing here. So yes, it's not really that good. But we're gonna bin this. We're gonna bin this. Right. I need to get up like right now. Right, there we go. Take a wee breather. Get it? Breather. Ha, lol. What are you? Oh, what are you? Well, you must be OP. Right, I'm taking you down. Right. You better drop something good. Or not. Just, why not? I got an angler! Oh, yo, man! Oh, what? Allows the light underwater. Oh, that's amazing. Right, I got one coral. I need a lot more. Right. So, hi, angler. How you doing? All that stuff. Right. How you doing, man? Right. Right, I'm gonna like TP back in a wee second. Anglophobia. Oh no. Yeah, I said it right. What am I saying? Can I get it? Oh, that was so lucky. Luckily? What am I even talking about? That was so lucky. Right. Lucky I had them recall potions on me. Yeah, yes. Right, 7. I think it's actually 5 aquatic bars and stuff. And yeah, you need aquatic bars, starfish, and seashells. I was about to say seashells. Literally, I was about to say that. Like, who would just randomly say that? Well, I nearly said it again. Seashell, right? That's a tongue twister for me. Right now. Literally, for some reason, that's just a tongue twister. It's seashell, right? Seashell. Yes, right, I got it. Seashell. Right, yes, I definitely got it now. Right, so I'm gonna go over here. I'm actually gonna put my map on. Yeah, right, there we go. Oh, and there's some iron bars. Well, not iron bars. Ugh. I keep saying random stuff. I don't get it. I don't get it. Right, but we're gonna get some of these. And I actually need them. I need them as well. Actually, I don't need these anymore because I've already got the elf, and I didn't even realize that. I forgot to mention that. I've got an elf, yeah. So yeah. Oh, right. I thought I might have died there, but I didn't. Right. Right. So you're down to the ground, right? Also, if you're wondering why I need the dirt blocks, you can transform into mud blocks. Mud block walls, they actually look pretty nice, if you ask me. So that's why I'm keeping them. Just if I'm making a house or anything, you know, NPC house or storage room or anything like that. So yeah, I'll have that. So yes. Right. Did I go this far? I don't remember going this far. I must have. I just can't remember. You're joking me. Right? Ugh. Right, we're gonna have to get up here. Right, there we go. There we go. Do not mess with me. I'm not in the right mood at the moment because I'm about to go rage mode. Oh yeah, actually I do remember going up here. I remember placing them blocks and all that. Right, die. I just want to. I'm just going to defeat the Grand Thunderbird this episode. That's all I want to do. Okay. I'm not going to be doing anything else. Come on. Oh yeah, I remember I had to go to this tree. This giant tree, so actually I do remember going. I was just the hole I didn't remember. Honestly. Yeah. Oh, finally. We found it. And I got another vulture feather, which I guess is pretty cool. See if there's not. Right. I was saying there has to be an underground desert in this world. If there's not, the world's just clearly messed up. Right. I can hear some stuff, so I can't. Right, you're a small one, which I guess is pretty cool. And got one of these beautiful amethyst tokens. What are you going to give me, huh? What will I bin? I'll bin these pelts or grappo. I'll keep it. I'll keep it. Right? I'll keep it. Now there's obviously more stuff somewhere. Right. There's a wee bit there. Alright. There's one of these swarmers. Right. I need my anklephobia. Right, you're dead. Right. I got these things here. I think I need 2. I think. I think. Right. But I'm going to bin these water leaves. Oh, I got 2? Wow. I'll say that's really good. If I do say so myself. But where's my anklephobia? Oh, I dropped it. Oh. Alright, okay. It's okay. Right. I don't think I'm gonna need these chains. Right, you're going to die. Right. Oh, I got Hermes boots. Not bad. More torches. That's pretty cool. And oh yeah, there's a chest. I can put this in my inventory. What will I put in here? I need that smooth coal. Honestly, I don't think I'll really need these. Cosmic tickets. I know what they're used for. Alright. I was saying, why is this not breaking? I'm gonna rage right now. But obviously I'm not because I got the things, so yeah, it's pretty good. So we're gonna keep on going down. Right. Yep, he's dead. Right, so I think I might need a 5. I'm just gonna get 6 just in case. Right, just in case. So we're gonna mine this out. Right. I'm just looking. See if I can find anything at all. I'm probably gonna have to mine down a wee bit more. Oh no. Oh wait. Oh, it's actually truthful. It's pretty truthful. I got one of these swarmer dudes. I'm away. Right. Right, I'm just gonna wave this. Right, I got 2 more. 6. I think that might do. Gonna go to the guide, check. Just put one of these mandibles in. Anti-land mandibles. Mandibles. Whatever I just said. Oh yeah, there they are. Right. Yeah, this here. That's 1. Oh, that's 1. Oh, wow. Well, at least I got these things here. The iron bars. At a demon altar. Gonna have to be doing a lot of stuff. Right. But at least I've got enough bars and all that. Right, but guys, I will be back when I've went to the demon altar and all that, and I'll be back here when I finish. So yeah, I will be back in a few moments. Right guys, I am back now. I have got all of it. So yeah. I don't know how this is gonna turn out, but and there's a slime rain. Yeah. Sadly. But yeah, just gonna have to deal with it though. Honestly. But I'm gonna have to like run back and forth and all that. But all I can say is let's go. Right, you're coming from over there. It's pretty good. But we're gonna be using this. Here, yo, dude over here. Imagine if I hit him. That'd be like so awesome. Here, you. I need to get in the perfect position. Oh no, these things are going to destroy me. Would this thing do the job? I think it might. Yes, it will. Right. Never mind about using the... I'm just literally just sitting here. Oh, what's that? Thunder Talon? I'll pick it up. What is it? Oh, it only does 12 melee. Yes, it's not gonna be much use. But guess I'll keep it. But let's do that again. Yeah? Right, or even is it? Alright, you're there this time. You're actually pretty easy, I have to say. Grand Thunderbird. You are pretty dang easy to kill. You've only 1,000 health. I believe you like drop like a hatchling staff. But obviously you're not gonna do that, are you? Right, where are you? Who are you? Where are you? Huh? Go tell me? Or are you gonna show me, I think? Oh yeah, there's like them wee hatchling dudes. And I forgot this is fully auto. Come on. Die. Die. Please. Just die. What? You've got to be joking me. Wonder what these things are. A sandstone. Sandstone ingots. Yeah, I'll take it. I'm gonna see what to make. But actually, guys, I'm gonna summon in one more. Flare. 1, 2. Okay, I'm just doing this because I don't want to end up just going back over. And also, I only got one, and I just decided to make more. So yeah, forgive me for that. And this will be the only time I'll be using the thing for the item browser. I'll be the only time because I just want to get that hatchling stuff, and I know I'm getting it legit anyway. So, yeah. Come on, right there. That was the 50th blue slime. Wow. Where is it? Yeah, I just want to try and get that hatchling stuff. Right, you spawned over here. Oh, Pinky, hi. Yeah, you're gonna drop in beautiful, pink slime. Oh no, yeah, pink slime. Pink gel. What am I saying? Right. Right, want that. You're not even doing that much damage to me. I can just stand here. Just kill you with this anklephobia. I think this is too OP to start off with, if you ask me. I think it should be like the rarity. I think it should be more of a rarity thing. Oh, I got a mask. And I got a talon again. Wow. Just wow. Wow. But I just really want something new, right? I want that mask though. I really want that mask. What did I just pick up anyway? I have no clue. But we're gonna stick this mask on. That looks pretty cool, if you ask me. Yeah, that looks pretty cool. So it's gonna be the last one. So where are you coming from? Left or right? Right. There we go. Right, I just want the hatchling stuff. I believe it's a hatchling stuff anyway. It spawns in one of them wee dudes that he summons himself. Right, I'm gonna close my eyes. Yes, right, I got it. Yes, that's exactly what I expected. Right. There we go. And we get to spawn in one of these dudes. Which I guess is pretty cool. You know what? We need to stuff some stuff away. Literally. And I have a chest. Deposit all. I need to do that. Right. So I'm gonna put this talon in as well. Right, go away. I'm trying to organize my inventory. I'll put you there. Right, and do that. This is actually a pretty long episode, if you ask me. So there we go. Right, that's gonna be the end of the video. So if you enjoyed the video, please make sure to like it. Also, if you're new around here, please be sure to subscribe. And as always, thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.